Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Amit. Today I am going to show you that how to change your background wallpaper of your desktop when your Windows is not activated. Okay, you can see here that my Windows is not activated and it is showing activate Windows. If you right click here and go properties, you cannot change your wallpaper from here. Lock screen theme all is visible and it is showing. You need to active Windows before you can personalize your PC. But you can change your desktop background from here. Go to control panel, then choose small icon, then here personalization. Okay, you can see that there is many wallpaper in my desktop. You can choose any one of these. I choose this one. Okay, you can see there. Check, my wallpaper has been changed. You can change your desktop wallpaper when your Windows is not activated by this way. Okay friends, now I am requesting you to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much friends. Please subscribe and comment below what do you want to know about technical things. I will help you always. Next video will be coming soon, so subscribe my channel now.